Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. So today's Sunday. We've just been in here cleaning, organizing, getting ready for the week. I just have been really tired of my house looking junky, looking crowded and cluttered. Just not good for my mental. It's not allowing me to have an open mind, open heart. So cleaning up today, having a good time cleaning. And I got my candles going, you guys. Yeah, remember I showed y'all this in my haul video, right? Look at it. Look at it. Done. And black too. I don't like that, but it smells good. And it was only $5. So look, I'm not complaining. But yes, I've used and abused this candle. And this other one is on its last leg, as you can see. I like the two of them together. Like they burn really, really nicely together. So yeah, I was burning the pumpkin spice one first, and then I started burning them together so they did not burn at the same rate. But I'm gonna probably get some more. This one is actually my favorite one, Soft Cashmere Amber. This is a new one that I got from Walmart. It was only like $12, you guys. And it's a 2-wick candle, so I like that. It's a lot stronger than these 1-wick ones. Yes, I was like, oh my God, I love this. So I've been burning this one too. Really, really love this for the vibes for cozy season. There's another one around here somewhere. I'll show you guys later. Today, Zaraya, well, she was here. She ran to the store really quickly, but her brother Makai is here and he is literally helping me clean my house, y'all. Like he really wants to just like do stuff. We hung out last night. So yeah, this is like kind of the aftermath of us hanging out last night. I started cleaning up, cooking, getting ready. And it's literally only 10 in the morning. I'm so excited, like just to get stuff done early. I thought I was gonna sleep in, but I couldn't sleep. So yeah, we've been in here straightening up the office. And literally my office has not been able to be walked in a while. My rug has not been in the right place in a while. I still need to move it back a little bit because it gets in the way of me closing the door, which I don't like that. So I need to pull it back some more. I'm about to do that right now, but period. To a clean office. The gang's all here. Gang's all here.
I don't know how I feel about this. The people out here, let me shut up now.
I'm screaming. I got a package, y'all. It's from Get Suckered. This is a big one too, so we're gonna open it up together. Peanuts. Let's sit on the couch, y'all. My little teddy bears in the bag. Ooh. Okay, actually, since my office is like a little bit cleaner now, I have a lot of floor space open in here. Why don't we just sit in the office and open this box? So you guys, this is my affiliate box for this month from Get Suckered. You guys know that I love Get Suckered. I swear by Get Suckered, okay? So let's go ahead and unbox this package together. So the first thing that I see, I have the Get Puckered gloss base. You guys, I freaking love this gloss base. This is the 1 liter bag. So I have 2 of these in here. So they sent me 2 of the bigger bags this time because they know I make a lot of lip gloss. So yeah, I love their gloss base, you guys. It is so good. Like, I have been using the TKB base and I hadn't used that base in a while, and y'all, I really do not like that base, okay? Like TKB base is not where it's at anymore, and I just don't even remember like it being that bad because I used to use that when I first started my business. Obviously that's all I knew when I first started my business, but to switch to something else and then to come back to TKB, hated it, okay? I don't know if the base has changed. Something has changed about it because I just don't remember it being that bad, and I feel like I would have known that it was that bad, you know? So I do not recommend. I recommend the Get Suckered gloss base. It is so much better, so much easier to work with. The TKB base has a lot of bubbles. Like it just has a lot of unnecessary bubbles in it, and I don't know what that's about because I didn't do anything different. I didn't change any of my formulas. I didn't change anything about the way we were mixing gloss or anything. So I'm just like, what's the tea, sis? Like, why does this base act like this, you know. It felt fine, you know, don't get me wrong. The gloss still feels nice, but it just is not easy to work with anymore. So I don't know what that's about. I'm not a fan. If you're looking for gloss base, I would highly recommend Get Suckered. This stuff is amazing. So happy they sent some in my affiliate box. And then I got some flavors. So I got some 2-ounce flavors in here. Let's see which one this is. I think this is gingerbread. I can kind of smell it. Look at that. See, I was correct. You can literally smell this stuff through the packaging, you guys. And gingerbread is super popular for the cozy season, fall months, winter months. So I already had some of this, but now I have a restock of it. So yeah, love this one. I am gonna have to get probably the bigger bottle of the gingerbread really soon, because people have been ordering it a lot actually. What else is in here? It's like Christmas. Oh, this is a new one. This is a new one. I can't wait to smell this. I gotta open this one up and smell it. I already know what gingerbread smells like. So this is pancake and syrup. Pancake and syrup flavoring, you guys. What? I have to open this one up. I can kind of smell it though. Y'all know Get Suckered flavors are so concentrated, so you can really smell them through the packaging. Hold on, let me get this open. Oh, my hands are so dry. Y'all, we've been cleaning up. I've been doing dishes. I've been cleaning stuff. So I look like I've been working. My nails look like, what the heck have you been doing, girl? Ooh, that smells so good. Yeah, that's another thing. Like, I don't be trying to be all up in here like that because it's really strong and concentrated. So you can literally just open it and I can smell that from all the way over here. That smells really nice. So pancake and syrup is a new flavor that they just launched, I think, not too long ago. And I was like, oh, can I please try that one? So they sent that one over for me. So I will be adding this one to the website really soon. I'm excited. What else do I have in here? I have another flavor. I think this is my last flavor. Yeah, this is my last flavor that I have in here. And this is, ooh, this is cranberry. So cranberry is also a very popular scent for the fall, the winter months. So yeah, definitely needed a restock on this one as well. So, I can smell this one through the packaging too. I love cranberry. And then I have a wholesale shade on my website called cranberry too. So a lot of people have been doing cranberry with cranberry. It's literally perfect combination. Perfect combination. I love that gloss so much. Get Suckered flavors are so good, you guys. I love them. And then the last thing that I have in here is 2 bags of marshmallows. What? This is crazy. What do I do with them? Look. Marshmallows. For recipes, ingredients, and baking supplies, visit our website. This is really interesting. I have seen this on their Instagram and stuff. So let's see what I'm gonna do with some marshmallows. Thank you, Get Suckered, for sending these over. I am highly intrigued. I'm about to actually go on their Instagram to see what they were doing. I remember seeing the post. I just don't remember what exactly they were using it for. But that is my affiliate box for this month, you guys. I always like to unbox them with you guys, but I usually do it on Instagram. And I was like, you know what, let me do it on YouTube this month. Let me sit down with my YouTube fam. I probably will go on Instagram and do a little haul later on today, but I definitely wanted to sit down with y'all and show y'all what I picked up. I am so excited. I love when I get my affiliate box every month, you guys. It's like Christmas. Make sure you guys are shopping Get Suckered for your gloss base and for your flavorings. I always have their website linked down below, along with my discount code. You can use code SMUDGE10 at checkout to get 10% off of your order. Listen, save some money on your gloss base, save some money on your flavorings. Just, we all gotta save a coin. It's holiday time, you know, we gotta do our holiday collections and everything. So make sure you guys stock up, get what you need, because Get Suckered is where it's at, okay, period. That's just that on that, okay? So I told you guys that I had another one of these candles around here somewhere, and I just realized that it was sitting behind me this whole time while I was filming this clip. but this one is called Vintage Farmhouse Christmas. You guys, I literally gravitated towards this one because of the fact that the packaging, you know, the color, this is like, these are my tones, you know that if you know me, but it actually smells really good, and it's actually a Christmas candle, you guys. Like, it really does remind me of Christmas. It kind of gives you like a little bit of Christmas tree vibes, I think. Yeah, it says evergreen and wild apple, vanilla, you know, it's really, really nice. Okay, and then the color, come on now, you know I had to have it for $12 for 2 weeks, and it's just like a really nice big candle. It just looks so luxurious sitting on the counter or even like on my desk. I was using it for the podcast and everything. Y'all, I freaking love this candle. So this is the brand Better Homes and Gardens from Walmart. Y'all, I'm gonna have to go and stock up for my house because they were like fully in stock the last time I went there, and I was trying so hard not to splurge. But I think I'm gonna splurge because I need to make sure that I have this even past Christmas, and the other one that I showed you guys earlier, I need that one too. It has a very masculine scent. Yeah, it has like the tobacco smell. It's really nice, you guys. If you're into stuff like that, highly recommend. And then I just have my stool over here. So I got my Get Suckered stuff sitting right here. I'm gonna get some Instagram content and everything. I just kind of laid everything out. But if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen it over there as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? Go follow me so that you can see all of this awesome Get Suckered content on Instagram too, okay? I also want to say thank you so much to Get Suckered for sending me these products. Make sure you guys check them out. Make sure you follow them on Instagram, shop their website. Like I said, I swear by them. This is the gloss base that I really, really love. I feel like they have the best gloss base and the best flavorings on the market right now. So if you haven't checked out Get Suckered, what are you doing? Head on over and check them out. I will have their Instagram and the website linked down below. The gang's about to leave. The gang's about to head out. I just go from hair to bald, hair to bald. It's okay though. We're out. Oh! Y'all, I'm about to go edit for a little bit. I might be hanging out with Chef Sierra. I might be hanging out with her in a little bit, but that'll be a whole different video. This is Sunday for you. Chilling. Look at my Christmas tree in the back. Yes, and my wig is back there somewhere because I snatched it off. Yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe down below. Happy Vlogmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.